Landscaping doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With simple beginner steps, any yard can be turned into a space that feels welcoming, balanced, and beautiful. Adding a clean edge between the lawn and flower beds gives the garden structure. With just bricks, stones, or metal strips, you can make the yard instantly look more polished. For beginners, low-maintenance perennials like lavender, hostas, and daylilies are perfect. They return every year, require little care, and keep your garden colorful. Every yard feels more complete with a focal point. A small tree, a bird bath, or a simple bench draws the eye and makes the landscape feel intentional. Mulch is one of the easiest ways to upgrade your garden. It keeps soil moist, prevents weeds, and instantly makes plant beds look neat and well cared for. Containers are flexible and beginner-friendly. Place herbs or flowers in decorative pots, and you can move them around easily to refresh your garden's look. Pathways add both charm and function. Simple stepping stones or gravel paths guide movement and add character to your yard without heavy construction. Planting in layers makes your garden look full and professional. Tall plants at the back, medium in the middle, and short ones in front create natural depth. Lighting brings warmth and safety. Solar lights are easy to install, affordable, and make your yard beautiful and usable even after dark. A mix of evergreens and flowers keeps your garden attractive year-round. Evergreens give constant greenery, while seasonal blooms add bursts of color. Raised beds are simple to build and practical. They improve drainage, reduce weeds, and make your garden feel organized and easy to maintain. Small space? No problem. Vertical gardens let you grow upwards. Hanging pots or wall planters maximize limited space and add fresh greenery to fences or walls. If mowing feels like a burden, ground covers like creeping thyme or moss are great alternatives. They're easy to maintain, eco-friendly, and sometimes even bloom. Stones add texture and permanence. Placing a few accent rocks among plants creates a natural, timeless look that requires no upkeep. Even the smallest yard feels more welcoming with a place to sit. A bench or a couple of chairs turn your garden into an outdoor living space. Planting herbs is practical and fun. Fresh basil, mint, or rosemary are easy to grow, smell great, and add flavor to your cooking. Lining walkways or fences with flowers brightens the entire yard. Hardy flowers like marigolds or petunias keep the space cheerful with little effort. Shrubs give a sense of structure and privacy. Choices like boxwood or hydrangea are beginner-friendly and bring both order and softness to the landscape. A bubbling fountain or a bird bath creates tranquility. It attracts birds and butterflies while adding movement and sound to your garden. An archway with climbing plants creates charm and a sense of arrival. It's simple to install and makes your garden feel like a special place. Rock gardens are low maintenance and unique. Use gravel, stones, and succulents to build a landscape that's easy to care for and visually striking. Window boxes add instant charm to any home. Filled with flowers or herbs, they bring life and color to your walls and windows. A simple fence defines space and adds character. Pair it with plants for a cozy, welcoming look. Planting even a small tree makes a big difference. Over time, it provides shade, privacy, and a natural focal point for your garden. A bird-friendly garden brings life and sound. Simple feeders or baths invite birds, making the space lively and enjoyable. Painted pots are an easy DIY touch. Bright containers with plants add personality and creativity to your outdoor space. Beyond pathways, accent lighting highlights special plants or trees. At night, this creates a dramatic and cozy atmosphere. Growing your own vegetables is rewarding. Start with easy crops like tomatoes or lettuce in a small raised patch for fresh harvests. A gravel corner is simple, neat, and inexpensive. Add a chair and some potted plants to create a low-maintenance sitting spot. Repurpose crates, cans, or old containers as planters. It's eco-friendly, affordable, and adds rustic charm to your garden. Landscaping for beginners doesn't need to be overwhelming. Start small, enjoy each step, and let your yard grow with you. With simple choices, even the most ordinary space can feel extraordinary.